Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change Coinomi password. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, all you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead and open up your Coinomi app. From right over here, tap on this option of a 3 horizontal line on top left corner, tap on your default wallet and tap on manage wallet. Now if you tap on this 3 dot given beside, you will find this option of change encryption right over here. Right now you cannot see it because I just created my account. It might take a while, but if you have, then you're gonna find this option of change encryption. Once you tap on it, just like before, when creating your account, creating your password, you're gonna see interface. The interface gonna pop up just like that, where you will be able to re-enter your new password and again reconfirm it. Then tap on the save information and then your change, and then your password will be changed accordingly. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.